Yeah. So hello guys. So welcome to my channel. So today we're going to see one small project in Appsheet. So here I got a basically my name is Adithya and I'm a freelancer and Appsheet developer. So I got a project from this client. So I'm looking to convert my Excel file to Appsheet. The setup I would like for a physical inventory so that they will employees will add after they complete, the admin will review it. So this is like basically a inventory app sheet. Okay, so now let's see how to do this app. Okay, so Appsheet is a Google platform, and here you can develop apps without coding itself, using SQL queries in simple logical thinking. So let's we develop this app. So this client has given me this file. Okay, this inventory spreadsheet. So let's open this. So do you have any doubts? Just ask Rajnanin. Okay. So in this sheet, they given like product SKU, location, product name, quantity, and total cost category. So and what they are asking is like, so look to have it. So the store employee can select location first, then filter the categories, then they can see the products and quantity in stock. So it means like in this sheet, so first they will select the location. So based on this location, so these are all same locations, right? So once I select the location, the respective categories will come, and once they select the category, the respective quantity and total cost, we're going to filter it up. Okay. So yeah, let's start development. So I have already logged in into my AppSheet account. Okay. Now just I'm going to create a new app. So yeah, start with your own data. And just so actually I have already created this app, this AppSheet inventory. So this is the introduction of this app. So so I think you understood the requirements. Okay. And this data we are going is like this data is from Dropbox. So this spreadsheet will contain in Dropbox. Okay. So here, so this is a spreadsheet, and this location, product name, quantity, everything is available here. Okay. I will delete this and I will add freshly. So I'm adding new table, Dropbox. So here my data is available in this folder, and check the book.xlxs. So I'm selecting this data and it's asking worksheet. So the master worksheet I'm selecting. So I have two database, two table, master table and employee form. So here the master table, everything has the location, all the things, and the employee form who going to enter the data from which the master table using filtering based on location. Okay. Uh, So I have added this master table here, and some errors are there. Book could not find book data. Okay. Uh, delete this. I'm adding and saving. Still there error is there. Go to the problem and we'll delete this because we changed the name to master. So the primary view is the basic view. So this is the UX part. So in this UX part, so we can add a new view, and we have already master database in the data table. So I am adding this uh, master table as view, and name it as master. And these are the different types of views: table view, gallery view. So we can see this all the views later. So I'm just, as of now, I'm selecting deck view. So if we see the deck view, the view will change, get changed. If I select table, the table view will come here. So I'll just, so based on this product name is showing as a deck view, so each row. So we have lots of products here. Okay. So now we are going to create a form for the employee. Okay. So as the client asked, so the employee can select location first. Based on location, the category will get populated. So first we need to create a filter for that form. So for that form, I've created the another sheet. So that is an employee form. So there employee will add items based on the location. Okay. So we need location. So I added already location. Then based on the location, category will get filtered, and based on the category, the quantity will get counted. Okay. And the unique ID is a unique ID means like it should be different. So this we are going to generate automated by Appsheet. So each row should have different columns, unique columns. So that's the meaning of this unique ID. So every table should have unique ID. So in this we have product SKU is a unique ID because each value is different from different others. And but in this we can add the same type of location for different forms. So it won't be unique. So I'm adding additional unique ID. That's it. In the data, now we're going to add employee form. Okay. And then let's go to the column view. See what are the columns we added there. In data will come here. So location, category, quantity. So see this location, category. So quantity is not yet came. So for that, what we need to do is like regenerate it. So it will regenerate the column headers. So these headers will show here as the row name. Okay. Okay, so still it's not came here. So we'll go to the source and we'll check what is the issue there. Yeah, now it's here, but we'll regenerate once. Okay, it's not. We need to see. Open the Dropbox and we'll check. Yeah, so here employee form. Quantity is already there. So I think there is some issue. So we will delete and we'll add it again once. Okay, so Dropbox. Yeah. Oh yeah, now the quantity came. Okay, fine. Now what we're going to do is the location should come from the master column. So whatever the data we have in the master, so the location we're going to show all this location here. So for that, what we need to do is this location type we're going to change as enum list. and this enum list like is the list of values we will show. So we're going to add allow other values because we are going to populate it from here, so we need to check this. And the base type will be text, and it should show like drop down. And we need to write one small query formula for this. So from the data validity, select. So select command will able to fetch the data from this table, master table. So I'm going to select master, table name is master, and column name is location. So which means like select the master table location column. This true means like every columns. So this will able to fetch all the locations from this table. So do you have any doubts in this, Rajrani? So do you
No.
understand this formula?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, so this true we can change to filter it out to different, like where quantity equal to 1. So which means like it will give the outputs of this location where quantity equal to 1. So now true means like every columns will show. Now we'll save and let's see this form. And we have created the data, and now we need to create a form for this. So for this we'll go to the UX and create new view, which is employee form for this data, and the name will be the just giving form. Okay, and the view should be the form. So yeah, now okay, I think it's not saved. No filtering condition. Okay, so we will save this and we'll look into the form how it this formula works. Okay, so now we'll see all the location of this master database. Okay, yeah. So that something is happened. Okay, okay. This is due to the Dropbox problem we have. So it's not showing all the columns. Yeah. So the locations we here we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 locations we are seeing here. So these are the distinct types of locations. Here we have seen a lot of repeated locations. So these are all repeated locations. So Appsheet will take automatically only distinct locations based on this formula. So, so this data validity formula will only gives the distinct values. So now based on the location, we are going to show the category. So we have different types of categories. So what we need to do is we are going to populate these categories based on the location filter. Like so for that, this will be the element list. Allow other values, and base type will be the text. Drop down. The data validity will come. Select master table. So master category, category column, category column. Now the filter condition is where the location equal to where the location equal to this row dot location. So what this formula means, so we are going to select the master category column, but we are filtering based on the location, right? So do you understand this formula? So based on the location, we are going to filter it out the categories. So let's check this. Saving, then save it. Now I am selecting the location, Lockport. So the categories we are seeing is for Lockports. These are all the categories are available. The Lockport, if we go and check here, so Lockport. So these are the Lockport thing. So for this type of categories are there. Okay. Cellular accessories cases. So now, for example, I am selecting Buffalo, and the category will be different for each thing. So based on the filter condition, we are filtering it. Okay. So now next, what the client asked is, so first category, then they see the products, and once they select the products and quantity in stock. Okay. So now the category, once I select the category, sell cases, and based on that category, the quantity we need to show it. Quantity and yeah, quantity in stock. Okay. So we have already added quantity here, and yeah, now again this will be the number. So we are going to auto populate based on the category selection. So this will be the, we can write it in a formula or we can write it in an initial value. So what is the difference between these two is, like, formula means we can't able to edit once a Appsheet only automatically calculate based on the formula. If it's an initial value means based on the category selection, quantity will get populated, but we are able to edit it. So now I'm going to write this formula for this. Select the master table column should be the quantity and based on the category filter. Into this category. But this select command will give a list of items. So the expression is valid, but is represented this list, which is not of expected type number. So which means this is the single value column. We don't need this list. So for that, we are going to add another called any command called any. So select from this and choose any one of this value. Okay. So now let's see this, and I'm going to save it here. And so I'm going to select this location, category cases, and see the quantity is 1. Now the screen protectors, the quantity is 4. So yeah, the formula which work. Now we can hide it this unique ID because we don't need this unique ID. This is the unique ID formula. So which Appsheet will generate a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different types of alphanumeric characters Appsheet will generate automatically. So we will hide it because this is for our reference we need. And yeah, so the form we have created for this client requirement as well. And after that, so what they asked is like after that we need one small box. Okay. So, so I have a box where they input physical inventory count. Okay, so we're going to add another one small box below this so that that guy will input another value. So for that, we're going to add in employee form one new text called. So what we can say based on this, so physical inventory count. So we can mention it as physical inventory count. Okay. So I have added one another new header here. Now we need to regenerate this employee form so that that added column will reflect here. But since there's a Dropbox, it's not saving automatically. So we need to save it here. So, okay. So this is the problem we have in Dropbox. So if it's a Google spreadsheet means it will automatically sync, but Dropbox has a lot of issues. So in this employee form, it's not added here. So what we can do is yeah. So now I added the new column physical inventory count. So I regenerated it. So now the physical inventory count came here. So this will be the normal input text type. So now if we add here, we can add it like normal text type as per the requirement. So yeah, I think that's it. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more Appsheet content videos. Thank you.